Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily clear cache on Roblox. Let's begin. First, I want you to go over here, click on the Windows Start menu. So you are actually going to do the Windows version, also the website or online version, all right? So over here, click on the Windows Start menu, type Run, click on this, and then simply type percentage app data percentage. Click OK. And from here, a folder will pop up. Scroll down. You need to locate the temp folder. All right. So you can simply click on T because all of these are arranged alphabetically. However, if you don't locate or if you did not notice any temporary folders on here, you can simply go back, right? So I'm going to go back and locate the local folder instead. So here I'm going to press T on my keyboard, and there you go. The temporary folder is here. Click on it, then simply locate Roblox. I'm going to just type R on my keyboard, and there you go. I have Roblox folder. Right click, delete. This is actually how you can clear your cache on the Windows version on your Roblox. In order to do the online website version, open up Chrome. This is actually where I use my Roblox. Click on these three dots, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies. Under advanced, go or click on see all site data and permissions. On the search field, type Roblox. You can hit enter. And here, just simply click on the trash icon, click on delete, and this is how you can clear your cache on the online platform on Roblox. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Clearing the Roblox cache can help fix loading issues, crashes, lag spikes, and other common errors on Roblox by removing temporary files that may have become outdated or corrupted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.